Want to turn your popcorn into a protein-packed snack with added anti-aging benefits? Make your popcorn the healthiest on the planet. Keep watching till the end. I'll show you the perfect way to make it with a quick and easy recipe. The star ingredient, nutritional yeast. Just sprinkle a few tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now, I'm not talking about the yeast you use to make bread with, but I'm talking about a form of deactivated yeast that is packed with flavorful goodness and rich in protein and B vitamins. This food ingredient is a complete protein and one of the most protein-dense plant-based foods. Typically, 2 tablespoons give you about 8 grams of protein and is so delicious, providing a cheesy flavor without the cheese. Here's how to make your popcorn into a decadent protein-packed treat. Start by adding your popcorn to a sealable container. Drizzle some melted butter or high-quality olive oil for a healthy twist. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging polyphenols. Close the container filled with popcorn and oil. Give it a good shake to coat the popcorn. Now, sprinkle on nutritional yeast and a bit of salt as desired. Shake it up, and you're done. Delicious, protein-rich, anti-aging popcorn. Ready to enjoy. Like and subscribe for more tasty tips.